Hello everyone, myself Sanskruti Hodavadekar and my friends Gayatri, Harshada and Neha are going to present a PPT on horizontal axis wind turbine. Subject wind power and technology. Content basic concept of wind power plant, introduction, diagram, working principle, parts and its function, application, advantages and basic concept of wind power plants. Wind turbines operate on a simple principle. The energy in the wind turns two or three propeller like blades around a rotor. The rotor is connected to the main shaft, which spins a generator to create electricity. Since the turn of the century, total US wind power capacity has increased more than 24. Introduction of horizontal axis wind turbine. A horizontal axis wind turbine, that is HWT, is a wind turbine in which the axis of rotor's rotation is parallel to the wind stream and the ground. Horizontal axis wind turbines have the main rotor shaft and electrical generator at the top of a tower and may be pointed into or out of the wind. This is the diagram of horizontal axis wind turbine. Here we can see rotor hub with blade pitch mechanism. The rotor blade, we can also see that inside the nacelle there is brake, gearbox, generator and electronic control. There is a yaw system, tower and grid connection.
Working principle. The horizontal axis wind turbine is a wind turbine in which main rotor shaft is pointed in the direction of the wind to extract power. The principal components of a basic horizontal axis wind turbine are shown in figure. The rotor receives energy from the wind and produces a torque on a low speed shaft. The low speed shaft transfers the energy to a gearbox, high speed shaft and generator which are enclosed in a nacelle for protection. Notice how the blades are connected to the rotor and to shaft. This shaft is called the low speed shaft because the wind turns the rotating assembly at a leisurely 10 to 20 revolutions per minute RPM type typically. The low speed shaft connects to the gearbox which has a set of gears that increase the output speed of the shaft to approximately 1800 RPM for an output frequency of 60 Hz or a speed of 1500 RPM if the frequency is 50 Hz. For this reason, the shaft from the gearbox is called the high speed shaft. The high-speed shaft is the connected to the generator which converts the rotational motion of AC voltage. This speed is critical if it is used to turn the generator directly because the frequency of AC from the generator is related directly to the rate at which it is turned. Almost all horizontal axis wind turbines have similar components to those discussed in the article. But there are some exceptions. For example, direct drive wind turbines do not have a gearbox and they usually have a DC generator rather than an AC generator. This may or may not include a converter to AC which can be loaded at the tower base. There are some parts of horizontal axis wind turbine: pitch, hub, rotor, brake, gearbox, yaw drive, yaw motor, tower, blades, wind direction, low speed shaft, controller, anemometer, wind vane, high speed shaft, nacelle, generator, swivel, beading.
Parts and function of horizontal axis wind turbine are as follow. First, blades. Blades are used to capture a high wind and converts into mechanical power. Blades are assembled on hub. The Lipton style wind turbine blade. These are most efficiently designed, especially for capturing energy of strong, fast winds. The blades are lightweight, durable, and corrosion resistant material. The best material are composite of fiberglass and reinforced plastic. Blades are connected to the hub. The function of rotor is the rotor is designed aerodynamically to capture the maximum surface area of wind in order to produce more power output. The function of gearbox is a gearbox magnifies or amplifies the energy output of the rotor. The gearbox is situated directly between the rotor and the generator. A rotor rotates the generator, which is protected by a nacelle as directed by the tailvane. Function of generator is it receives mechanical energy through gearbox and rotate to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. And generator are of various sizes relative to the output you wish to generate.
Applications. The horizontal axis wind turbines uses the energy in the wind for practical purposes like first generating electricity, second charging batteries, third pumping water or grinding grain, fourth large modern wind turbines operate together in wind farm to produce electricity for the utilities. Advantages Advantages of wind power horizontal wind axis are as follows. First, high power output. Second, high efficiency. Third, high reliability. Fourth, high operational wind speed. It has a self-starting ability. Disadvantages. Its initial installation cost is high. It requires large ground area for its installation. It has high maintenance cost. Fourth, it creates noise problems. And fifth, it cannot be installed near human population. Next, we will see the video of our horizontal axis wind turbine.